Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms. Place it on your eyes. Open the eyes inside the palms. Know your experiences. We'll share our experiences. How openly, how are you, David and Jerry?
Very short. The I realized the power of when you say, give yourself permission to have thoughts, actually gave me the freedom to not have thoughts, if that makes sense.
There you go, yes.
Very freeing from that perspective.
Beautiful, yeah. Freedom. The many factors, when we are covering the karma yoga at the physical level, at the subtle level, those impressions are there and they bear the fruits of each and every action, each and every karma. And that helps us understanding it, helping us to rise in awareness. How are you, Jerry?
Sorry, I'm good. Thank you. I think just during the rapid breath and dropping the Om Shanti, I was focused, the mind was really focused on not all the stuff that was going on, but the calmness underneath. And then just relating that to what goes on every day is all the stuff that goes on, but there's always that calmness.
Wonderful. You are setting an example. And you will see the outer life, relationship, everything changes. It changes in quality. So, how are you, Barbara? I think you lost your connection for a couple of minutes.
I did, and as a result, I didn't know I lost it, but as a result, I was doing the quick and fast breathing until finally I thought, it's a very long time, and I saw that I lost the connection. It was very strange, but I'm doing okay, and I have no problem with the quick and fast breathing. In fact, I enjoy it. But I have difficulty dropping the Om Shanti when I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah. Because the mind is not able to separate with the breath, but it will happen gradually.
Mm-hmm.
Today I did it for 30 minutes of quick and short breathing early in the morning, and I was enjoying. So when you said that you are enjoying, definitely it helps us. But don't start doing 30 minutes now. So how are you, Brandy?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm fine. My meditation was really deep and focused today. It was nice to be in there.
Nice to you. Beautiful. That's really good. Live into that state of meditation all the time. How are you, Rakesh?
Thank you. So after many days, today it was again the state of silence. Beautiful.
Yeah. Compare this state of the silence when we do not have those merits and demerits because of the karma. We don't have the opposite feeling in the mind because of the karma. We don't have any movement in the body. It happens because of the karma. So what is the result? Silence. Be very clear. Our masters are so clear about these things. You don't start thinking, At least when I start thinking, oh, I will not talk to anesthesia, she has a negative vibration. So my mind is crazy. Anesthesia has nothing to do with it. We have to be 100% clear about it. It's better to take care of the mind rather than blaming anyone. Then why she exists? How are you, Terry? Terry was also steady, yes.
Yes, I was having no trouble doing this quick and fast breathing.
Beautiful.
And the slow also. I was experiencing again the distractions at the same time as I was experiencing the darkness in the space, and I was enjoying being away from the world.
Beautiful.
I think I had a feeling of I was a couple of times felt like I was going toward a center point, going forward.
Yeah.
And then, but then I would keep getting drawn back out by distractions, and then just all kept going around.
I'm reminding you, Terry, that sometimes you say because of my problem, I'm not able to do the quick and fast breathing. I'm not able to do the deep silent slow breathing. And still the problem still exists and you are able to do both successfully. It means it is all about the mind. It is all about your level of awareness. So it means you can achieve that state anytime in spite of having these challenges. So you have to do the practice maybe 5 or 6 times every day. Inspiring, motivating. How are you, Anastasia?
Thank you. I'm very good. It was a deep meditation, and I felt a deeper sensation in my body as usual. And I realized that it's not my body who feels the space, but it's my mind actually, and how it influences on my perception of my space. It's like sometimes you look at yourself in the mirror and you think that you are the most beautiful person in the world, and sometimes you look at yourself and you think that you are the ugliest person in the world. It's just because of your mind.
Because of your mind. Remember this. My perception changes because of the impressions present in the mind. One day you stand before the mirror and the impression says you are most beautiful. Yes. Second day, mind says you are most beautiful, and some demerit enters into your mind. No. That's why I'm not in love. Unnecessary. These are the impurities of the mind we must get rid of before we reach to a higher state. How are you, Sameer?
Sir, after the recitation of mantras, no, it was like surrendering all the thoughts were gone. Means it's mind expanded, means that sarve bhavantu sukhina, means everyone's mind start expanding and all the thoughts starts means dropping, and then I was deep into meditation.
Yes. This is a step coming from the tantra. I use it. Even the chanting, the way we are doing the mental chanting, and the tantra means the expansion of mind and liberation of energy. One literal meaning. Any step that we do. So that is why you feel that expansion of the mind. It is wonderful. We are left with the two. Vaibhav, how are you?
Sir, I'm good. It was peaceful, very deep.
Very deep, peaceful, beautiful. How are you, Sangeeta?
सर एक्चुअली बीच में कनेक्शन खराब हो गया था, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, तो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हुआ, फिर शांत होम अपने आप चलता रहा, तो बाद में आपकी आवाज आनी शुरू हो गई।
Yeah, connection was disturbed, she is saying. Yeah, we should be connected at the deeper level. Forget about internet connection. So that is all for today. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.